My name is Hudson Miles, and I'm 2 years old. I like cooking with my mommy, and I like being in the kitchen.
What we're cooking today?
We're cooking marshmallows.
Are you sure that's what's in your hand? What's in your hand?
A hot dog.
Yeah, I think that's what you're
Are we
cooking.
cooking hot dogs?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we use your Batman stick?
Yeah, no, Batman.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful. Push, push. Oh, that's good. Let go. Now push it on the rest. Okay. Then we need to put it in the fire.
I am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you sit on my knee. Okay. And we're gonna cook it. To a marshmallow?
Cooking it.
It's cooking. What do you like on your hot dog bun?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
No. What about mustard?
I don't like mustard.
Do you like relish?
No. I like ketchup
Ketchup?
on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did mommy make us buns already?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
I put ketchup on yours, Hudson. What does Daddy like on his?
You like mustard, Dad?
I do like mustard.
I don't.
You don't.
No.
No. Are you turned?
Turn.
Yeah.
Turn.
Yeah.
So it doesn't bleed up.
Pardon me?
So it doesn't bleed up.
So it doesn't burn up?
No. So don't.
Can you stand up a little bit? Are you turning?
Yeah.
You turn.
Turn.
I'll hold it, you turn it. What are we cooking the hot dog on?
Yeah.
On here?
Yeah.
What is this?
Fire.
A fire?
Yeah, that means we need to get it out of the house.
That means we need to get out of the house.
Don't want to fire at our house.
You're not cooking your hot dog very well if you're jumping. Be careful.
Right.
We gotta hold it in the fire, otherwise it won't cook. Can you turn it?
Turn. So it doesn't bleed up.
Oh man, I'm dropping you.
So it doesn't overcook.
Do you want to check on it?
It's not a marshmallow yet.
It's not a marshmallow yet? I think we got a long way to go before it's a marshmallow. Is it?
Pretty good though,
Is this
guys.
pretty cooked?
Yeah.
Do you want to cook it some more or do you want it on your bun?
I don't, please.
Okay. Can you
Yeah.
ketchup bun?
Yeah.
His is one on the end.
Here, I guess.
Okay, can you hold your bun?
Yeah.
You hold it like that, I'll put your hot dog in it, okay? Ready? There you go. Now can you blow on it a little bit? There we go. You'll close a little bit. You need some help? There you go.
Thank you.
2 hands.
No. Yummy.
How is it?
Good.
Yeah?
No.
What should you tell everybody in the camera?
Thanks for watching. I do one more.
You can do it one more.
No. I'm the hot dog.
You ate the bun and the hot dog? Yeah?
No.
How is it?
Good.